Hi, welcome to Limebox Minute of NetSuite. I'm Cash Shirley. Today we're going to talk about training. Training is one of the most overlooked pieces of a new implementation. It is so important, and Oracle knows this, and they have now broken up their training into different modules for each role. Where there used to be the ERP fundamentals, which includes the UI navigation and all the accounting functions and fixed assets and all these different things that you may or may not need. And that's multiple hours. Now you can access the AR, the AP, the monthly close, the fixed assets. You can do them separately, and they're in bite-sized chunks. And it's available to you now on learn.oracle.com. Training, cannot stress it enough. If you want to win on NetSuite, if you want to be successful, you must do the training. It's a gut punch, I know, but you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching Limebox Minute of NetSuite. I'm Cash Shirley. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help make your life better.